My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications coming from the website News-faxetu.cc. This is a website that displays numerous fake alerts in the form of permanent web push notifications. The website tells its visitors to click on the special Allow button integrated into it. But in reality, to click on Allow is a mistake. Because of that, the browser may be hijacked and infected, and you may be forwarded to some other questionable sites that may infect your system considerably. Because of that, you may start getting the great portion of ads that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. If you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, access the menu, go to Settings, then choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-faxetu.cc, you need to click on this button and remove the junk sites from the list. Make sure you remove other malicious websites too. There is a program that can clean your browser automatically, and not only your browser but your entire computer. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download and install the software. After it gets installed, start researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.